Are you ready to take your real estate business to the next level? Introducing RealPro365 by About the Solution, end-to-end property management solution built on top of Microsoft Dynamics 365 platform. Get a 360-degree view of your customers, including contracted units and interactions. Easily manage real estate data and find what you need with intuitive search capabilities. Capture leads effortlessly and create quotations in no time. Automate the reservation cycle and track payment plans seamlessly. Ensure legal compliance with detailed contracts and track payment history. Identify target markets and distribute campaigns effectively. Handle customer requests promptly to ensure satisfaction post-sale. Measure and enhance customer satisfaction through personalized visits. Access insightful reports and dynamic dashboards with Power BI capabilities. Access all your business information in one place for streamlined operations. Streamline sales and rental cycles to maximize efficiency. Identify high-quality leads and monitor campaign effectiveness. Manage properties and customer communications effortlessly. Moreover, it enhances the overall solution by incorporating financial, project, and supply chain management, alongside with fostering collaboration through various Microsoft tools. Unlock efficiency, understand your clients, and revolutionize your real estate operations with RealPro365. It's time to elevate your business to new heights. For more information, visit our website www.aboutthesolution.com.